everyone, today I'll walk you through the steps to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. It's a straightforward process, so stay tuned until the end to ensure you don't miss any details. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to your profile. To access the activation option, first, you have to tap on the menu icon and select Settings and Privacy. To proceed to the activation, under Account, go to Account Center. Navigate to Personal Details and then Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account. And for initiating the activation, the Activate account is usually selected by default, so tap on Continue. Before deactivating, enter your Instagram password and tap Continue. Select a reason from the provided list such as just need a break or anything else. And for final confirmation, scroll down and tap Continue. Confirm the temporary deactivation by tapping the provided button. A message will appear stating that the account has been deactivated. To reactivate, simply log back into your account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to temporarily deactivate and reactivate your Instagram account. If you ever need a break, this is a handy feature to use. So, if you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and feel free to comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.